Click Create and select Zaps to create an automation for Notion with Gmail. Start trigger by selecting the Trigger button. Select Gmail as your trigger app. Select a trigger event, such as new email or new labeled email. To connect, click Sign in and grant Zapier access. Choose an account to continue to Zapier. Click Allow to grant access to Zapier. You may also click Change if you want to change the Gmail account link to Zapier. Specify the conditions that will trigger the Zap and select the trigger. Select Notion as the action app. Ensure a new database item is created or updated in Notion based on the Gmail trigger. Click Change if you want to change access for Zapier through Notion. Ensure a new database item is created or updated in Notion based on the Gmail trigger. Ensure Zapier can retrieve data from Gmail, then click Publish. Toggle the Zap to On to start the automation. By following these steps, you can effectively integrate Notion with Gmail, enhancing your productivity and workflow management.